Today I am going to discuss how to install Filmora on Windows PC. So let's start. First of all, we have to download the software from the link given below, and then you have to go to the directory of the download and just right click on the WinZip file to extract the folder. After fully extracting, I have to install the software. We are waiting for the extraction of the software just for a few minutes. Actually, here it's saying that it needs 44 seconds to extract the data. We are still waiting. Waiting, blah blah blah. Finally, the folder is extracted. Now go to the folder and just double click on the Filmora 64-bit file. Press yes, OK, accept the agreement, next, and now we have to wait for the installation. After complete installation, I will show you how to crack this software. Here is the crack of the software. We have to extract this data also. After complete installation of the Filmora 9, we will go to the main directory and copy this two file into the main directory so that the software will be cracked. We are waiting for the installation of the Filmora. Still waiting. Actually, Filmora is a software that is available for the user to edit all kind of videos. We can easily handle any kind of video by this software. We can split, we can reduce or explore the audio, or we can remove the background of the video by using this software very easily. So after this software is installed already, so we have to go to the main directory of the software to crack this software. This is the finishing part. Browser is opened. Uncheck this file, and no need to launch the software. Actually, we have to go to the main directory by clicking here and open file location. Here we have to paste the file that we have copied earlier. That's all actually. Now launch the software. So we can see that Filmora is cracked by Mr. BB 2018, and this is the outlook of the software actually. That's all. Thank you very much.